Right everyone, you join me on a lap around Donnington Park in the extreme wet weather in my Stage 2 Fiesta ST. The weather is a joke, but we power through. This is my first time around Donnington, and it is a great circuit. The wet weather is a mental challenge to drive in. The understeer, trying to stay with this Seat. Whoa. But as soon as you touch the throttle, it just understeers and wheel spins. Whoa, the rear end stepping out on me there. Brake in a straight line, power through to the left here. Brake in a straight line, lift off, power through. Whoa, it's on the edge of the grip. Brake a little bit while we're in the straight line, lift off, round. Whoa, aquaplaning. Braking. Through we go, hit the apex. Boom. I love this corner, it's probably my favourite corner on the circuit. Where you carry the speed round. Whoa! What a machine! Braking later and later for the chicane. MX-5 getting a bit sideways there. M3 behind us. The vision is so hard to see when you're behind the car. Got some cars behind us that we'll pull off for. Let these go past. Whoa. Got some fast Civics and M4s and 3s and jeez. Red flag, red flag. We have got a red flag. Well, that's the end of that. I said the car cool down. But yeah, you know, that is a little POV around Donnington. Let me know what you guys think and if you enjoy the little track day content. I absolutely love it. It's a shame the weather is so appalling because, you know, the car is all over the place and there's barely any grip out here. But if you want to see more track content, let me know down below and we'll definitely do another one. We had a bit of a moment there through turn 1. But that's all part of the fun. But you can see, I don't know if they've actually red flagged it because of a car going off or just the weather is so bad. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.